Darling, are you sure you called the taxi?
Mm-hmm.
Darling, are you sure you called the taxi?
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
Well, you're going to have to call them again.
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
Oh, never mind. Taxi's arrived. And put away that knife.
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
All right. I'm going to leave my mother's number by the phone. We'll call only if there's an emergency.
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
And don't forget to put the salve on your rash or it'll get worse.
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
And put that gun away.
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
All right. Well, come and give me a kiss on the cheek. And cut that anvil down before someone gets hurt.
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
Bye, darling. Love you. And don't kill my bird while I'm gone.
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear. Don't give me that look. Now put on that dress I like.